To set up OBS Studio for beginners in 2026, follow this simple step-by-step guide. First, download and install OBS Studio from the official website, then open it. When you open it, go to Settings and select your language, then adjust Basic Preferences. Go to Settings Arrow Video and set your base resolution to your screen resolution and output resolution to 1920 by 1080 for good quality. Set FPS to 30 for normal recording or 60 for smoother gameplay recording. Next, go to Settings Arrow Output and choose Simple Mode. Set recording format to MP4 or MKV for safe recording. Go to Settings Arrow Audio and select your microphone and desktop audio devices correctly. Now go to the main screen and create a scene by clicking the plus button in the Scenes box. Inside the Sources box, click plus and add Display Capture to record your screen. If you want to record games, add Game Capture instead. Add Video Capture device if you want to include your webcam. Check the audio mixer to ensure your mic and system sound are working properly. Once everything is set, click Start Recording. To begin and stop recording when finished, your recordings will be saved in the folder set in Output Settings. For smooth performance, close unnecessary apps before recording. This is the complete beginner setup for OBS Studio in 2026.